Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about this ultimate guide AI platform, which is Seona AI. So to get started, Seona AI positions itself as a complete SEO assistance, handling keyword research, on-page optimization, blog generation, backlink building, and even a review management. It works across WordPress, Shopify, Wix, and more, applying code changes automatically and providing weekly progress report. Many small businesses appreciate how it can replace expensive SEO agencies, delivering quick win with a minimal effort and integrating with GPT-4 for content generation. For anyone wanting hand-off optimization with built-in analytics and automation, Seona AI offers impressive convenience. On the flip side, results can vary sometimes. Some users report traffic drop or indexing issues, and customer support has been criticized for being slow and difficulty when canceling plan. Blog content often need human editing, and if you stop your subscription, many optimization revert. And here's the final intake. Seona AI is what in 2025 if you want all-in-one automated SEO solution. Just keep an eye on performance, back up your changes, and be mindful of its support and content quality limit. And that's it. Hope you find the review a little bit helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.